Spanish Town Jamaica. A man flees custody to attend his mother's funeral. Greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First, and Empress Omega, Empress Menen. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier. If this is your first time tuning in, hit that red subscribe button, become a part of the Rastaman channel. A 50-year-old man who was reportedly flee custody to attend his mother's funeral was sentenced 3 months in prison for escaping. Horace Clark of McVickers Lane in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, appeared in the parish court last week. It was reported that January 6, 2024, Clark was apprehended by the police on a warrant for driving with an expired motor vehicle certificate of fitness and was arrested. While at the police station, he told the officers his mother had died and that he wanted to attend her funeral. After later asking to use the bathroom, he was escorted there by an officer, but he managed to escape from the station. In the court Tuesday, Clark's attorney made a submission for leniency on his behalf and plead for a non-custodial sentence. The attorney said it was imperative that he gave her client attendance to his mother's funeral. He then returned afterwards and surrendered to police on his own. Parish Judge Janelle Nelson Gale, however, went against the attorney's submission and handed down a 3-month prison sentence. Clark did, in fact, benefit from the significant discount in his sentence, as the judge pointed out that the maximum sentence of offense is 2 years behind bar. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you think the judge did the right thing. The man had a traffic warrant out for his arrest. He was taken in, subsequently asked to use the bathroom after telling the police that his mother had died and he needed to attend the funeral. So let me know if you think that the police was in cahoots with this bastard, if they planned up for him to turn himself in afterwards. Because you know the police will tell him, say, yo, me come quench you. So I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think about this case. If you think the judge was lenient enough or too lenient. Because a man in Spanish Town, in St. Catherine, in the battleground, Jamaica. Yes, I'm talking McVickers. And I'm talking about the police brought him to the bathroom and somehow he escaped. But he later turned himself in. He got 3 months for escaping custody. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Hit that red subscribe button. Leave your comment on this one. Let me know what you think. If the police were in cahoots with this man by letting him use the bathroom and allowing him to escape after he explained that his mother had died and he wanted to attend her funeral. And let me know if you think the judge should have given him a more stern sentence than the 3 months. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm
watching Deep Roots TV.